you getting tired? I dropped it.
If I miss sweet,
I dropped it.
I almost was that like,
Iris.
we going to sleep.
He's gone under the bed. Okay.
Stop on
Iris.
Pick it up now.
Have you given no? Is this your secret garden? Iris.
What, Dada?
I love you. What are we having for tea?
I don't know.
Garlic bread, remember?
Remember?
It's melting under there. Cooking it in the boot of the car, aren't we? Are you hungry? No? You just told me to start tea because you was hungry.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry anymore?
No.
Do you want some sweets?
Yeah.
So you're not hungry but you'll have sweets? You trouble? Yep.
I'm just gonna video myself, not yourself.
Alright, so am I not allowed in the video? We are now in chill out mode. We are sat scoffing crisps, watching the Paw Patrol movie with her headphones on, and she has no care what I'm doing.
Can you colour M for me?
I'll colour her face in, shall I?
Uh-huh.
She can be purple.
Okay. Got it. Meow, meow.
Are you a cat?
Meow.
Or are you a bunny rabbit?
Meow, meow, meow.
Iris. You ready? 3, 2, 1, jump!